Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief, and as America celebrates its 250th birthday, I'm going to show you a dish that you can make right out on your grill. It's buffalo chicken tacos. Get a sauce pot, and in the sauce pot you're going to place some butter, onion, garlic cloves, chicken stock, buffalo wing sauce, apple cider vinegar, paprika, cumin, brown sugar, and heavy cream. And then we're going to place this on our grill to get hot. We're going to take chicken thighs. Now you can use bone in, bone out, skin on, or skin off chicken thighs for this recipe. Today we're using bone in, skin on thighs. So the first thing we're going to do is drizzle the chicken thighs with some oil. Then take some salt, pepper, and season the chicken thighs. Flip them over, and you're going to repeat the process. Place your chicken thighs on the grill, skin side down. And we're going to let those cook. We're going to keep turning every 3 or 4 minutes. You're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once your chicken thighs are fully browned, you're going to take the chicken thighs and drop them into your buffalo sauce. Place them back on the grill. You just want to give it a few minutes for that sauce to set. We remove the chicken from the grill. Now, while the chicken is still warm, we're going to peel off the skin, because in this case we were using skin-on chicken thighs. And then start to pull the chicken meat, place it into a bowl. Make sure the pieces are not too big. And then we're ready to make our tacos. Starting with a taco holder, I'm going to place 2 flour tortillas into my taco holder. Then we're going to split the chicken between both tacos. Sprinkle a little shredded Mott's cheese onto the taco. Then a little bit of crumbled blue cheese, some fresh sliced jalapeno, a little fresh picked cilantro, and then you can garnish with a lime wedge on your taco. And there you have it, buffalo chicken tacos. Enjoy.